Good morning guys, and welcome back to Jestina's kitchen. Today I'm going to bring you something very tasty, something very delicious, and something very yummy. And guess what that is gonna be? Baobab and Soursop drink. Here we have a raw baobab powder already processed from Gambia. We're gonna use 3 tablespoons of baobab powder in a bowl. And then after that we're going to add in some water and then mix it until it's smooth and creamy. Now I add in 1 cup of water. The powder is really concentrated because it has already been processed, so we're gonna dilute it later on with more water. Now I'm gonna mix it gradually until everything is completely mixed, thick and creamy, and then we can add in more water to the consistency that we want. As you can see, it's very thick at the moment, so I'm going to transfer it in another container and then add in more water and then continue mixing until we get a light consistency as it is showing right now. And then we're going to put it aside. We'll get back to it later on. Guys, this is the soursop all the way from Gambia. It's really ripe. Now we're gonna wash it clean and then open it in the middle and then remove all the seeds. Stay tuned. I'm going to use a knife and then cut the soursop in the middle and then remove the stem. As you can see, I'm gonna cut it again, so it's gonna be like 4 halves. My hands are very clean. I've washed them very clean. As you can see, we're almost there. After doing all that, then we'll start to remove the seeds. I will continue remove the seeds until everything is completed. It smells so good and it's a really healthy fruit, really healthy, especially the leaves. There are so many benefits of the soursop leaves, which natural remedy for many health concerns. It helps in digestion or blood sugar regulation. The leaves have been found to reduce blood pressure. The health benefits of soursop leaves are extensive and varied. So I think that this wonderful, amazing fruit is so important, guys. I'm almost there. I'll now get to the next stage very soon. So stay tuned. I'm now going to use my food processor or a blender if you have one. I'm now going to transfer the fruit into the blender and blend it until it's completely blended. It looks really beautiful and appetizing. It is a healthy fruit and it can be found in, for example, warm climate areas like Africa, Southeast Asia. As this is my first time making this drink, so I am going to guess how much water we're gonna add in. I'm going to add in like 400 milliliters of water, and then gradually we would add in water if necessary because it's gonna be thick at the end, so we can add in water gradually to get the right consistency. I now cover the mixer and then we put the power on and then start to blend. I'm now blending the soursop until it's completely blended. Oh, it's like I've missed like few seeds I'm seeing inside, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna strain it. We have a soursop tree and a compound at home in Gambia, so when I was on holidays, it was like
so many on the tree, but they were not yet fit or ripe to harvest, so we got like just about 4 big ones. So I got just one from my brother. He's crazy with soursop.
I'm going to transfer it in a bigger bowl where we're going to do all the mixing with the other ingredients. Oh, look how beautiful it looks. It's so creamy and thick. Wow, and it tastes so good. As I have seen like few seeds, I'm gonna strain it. I've added some more water, like 100 milliliters more water, and then we're gonna strain it to remove all the seeds and the pulp. I'm using a spoon first, and then later on I'll use my hands so that it would be easy to strain out from the sieve. It's coming out gradually. It's a little bit thick though, but we don't need so much water right now, otherwise it would be tasteless. After doing all that, I throw away the pulp. We're now going to change the sieve and then strain the baobab juice inside the soursop drink. Wow, look at that. This is my thinking, guys. Imagine how good it would taste together. If you don't have baobab powder, you can just do the soursop without. It doesn't matter. After straining, we're gonna mix together the soursop and the baobab together until everything is cooperated.
Then we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. And now add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla
and
sugar.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we sprinkle in about half teaspoon of nutmeg powder, or you can grate in fresh nutmeg, it's the same. And then mix everything together.
The grated nutmeg is going to bring out that nutty flavor with a beautiful aroma. Together with the rum is gonna elevate our drink to another level, guys. So do not hesitate. Try something new, and you will comment in the comment box later on and tell me how it tastes.
And then for sweetener, we're going to add in concentrated sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to pour in half first and then mix, then taste. If we need more, if it's necessary, then we would add in a little bit more. After mixing it together, I'll give it a taste. I'm now going to taste it. We need more, so I'm going to empty in the rest. It would be fine. If you want, you can add in honey too, it's up to you. But I prefer the condensed milk because of the flavor that I want. It's gonna be a very beautiful consistency, and then the taste would be perfect. Guys, think if you add in coconut milk, how tasty it would be. Maybe I will try that another time, but today is gonna be this way. So after mixing all that together, then we're going to add in our rum, guys. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of rum, guys. Wow, this is gonna be yummy and delicious. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at the consistency of the mixture. It is so beautiful, and I know that it's gonna taste so good after putting it in the fridge. Wow, it's gonna be yummy, guys. Try it if you have never tried it. Now we're gonna empty it in a container. Look how beautiful it looks. We've got a lot, guys. I'm gonna fill another container too. Why I didn't empty everything in the whole container is because it would get thicker and then we maybe need to add in more water. That's why leave in some space. So we fill in the other container and then we're getting ready now to the chilling of the drinks, maybe for about an hour, and then we'll bring it out and serve. I know it's gonna be tasty, yummy, refreshing and all that. So guys, this is all what I have for you today from Jestina's kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to give me thumbs up, comment, like and share to help my channel grow. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Catch you next week in another edition. Take care of yourselves. Bye. I love you all. Guys, watch out for the next video coming. They're gonna be interesting and healthy recipes all the way from Gambia. So don't miss out. Thank you. Bye.
Try your Soursop and Baobab drink or just Soursop drink. You will never regret it.